come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds.